Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to edit photos for free using Photopea, an amazing online tool similar to Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to photopea.com. This website offers powerful photo editing tools for free. Once you're on the site, you'll see a familiar interface if you've used Photoshop before. You can use tools like the brush, eraser, text, and more to edit your photos. Let's start with a basic edit by adjusting the brightness and contrast. After making your edits, click on File, and then Export as to save your photo in the desired format. Your beautifully edited photo is now ready. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative tech tips. See you next time.